Here in the ornithological reserve of Croatia, just over that hedgerow, is a colony of spoonbills. They've flown almost 2,000 kilometers to nest here for the summer from their homes in Africa. They'll spend the duration of the year here eating fish, plants, raising their young, and then they will leave on their epic journey back to the African continent. Their habitat is critically endangered here among the wheat fields and pasture of rural Croatia. Torn by war for more than 20 years, this landscape is a matrix of culture and nature juxtaposed in a dynamic harmony of evolution. And now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to frolic.